Alright guys, we're back on Nightingale because we need to finish our last mission for this area, our last main quest. And I'm actually gonna look up Sky. I gotta lock in. Anyways, I gotta look up information for a quest that I need to do, which is this. Acquire oil hates fen catfish. Do I really need fen catfish or can I just use any oil? Alright, let's see. Oh, lag. Dude, why is my sense so slow? Holy, I feel like oh. Oh, it's too fast now. Where would oil be, actually, now that I think about it? Okay, it says cut gems, though. How do you cut gems? I think you go down here. Go here. Yeah. Can you not make cloth here? You make cloth in this? No, this is where you make the clothing. Where would you make cloth? I totally forgot. Here, cloth. I think I'm gonna need specifically amber and fen bass, but we'll see. You're starving? No, I'm not. Goddamn liar. Yeah, okay. Charms. Charm. I don't know where to put offerings, I'm gonna be honest. I mean, it's technically an offering, so I guess I can just put it with my weapons, right? Oh, catfish, okay. Oh, wait. I have a fishing rod. Oh, right. Alright, Betty. That makes more sense. Didn't think this fishing rod would come in handy, but it is. Oh. Alright, time to go fishing, I guess. Alright, let's see. Let's hope I don't get fucking killed. What do I have? Okay, I have so many fucking crossbows and bow and arrows and all that garbage. Okay, so do exactly what I was doing by following it. Okay. Teach a man a fish? That's hilarious. Oh, okay. Half the stray gross. Oh my god. I didn't know you can launch it that far. What is it? Oh, friend catfish. Oh, and so much more. I have 5 so far. Cool. How far can I cast this? I think I have like 5 cut ambers, I'm not gonna lie. I'm getting good at that. I learned the ways of fishing. Okay, that is not a fish I need. The fish is trying to troll me. Oh, I have 8. Okay. I am stupid. Slightly. What? Alright, lock in. No one heard that, right? I didn't sneeze. You sneezed. Oh, I have a lot of amber. We're just gonna make more, because I need to make more anyways. Where do I make oil? Do I make it over here? Good question. Because you have no idea. Good question, Gold. Maybe... Yeah, I have no idea. Animal oil. Is plant oil? I'm guessing animal oil would be... area. Where's the catfish at? Catfish! There it is. Oh, what up, Betty? Betty, do you blink? Doesn't look like it. You look tired. Am I overworking you? Betty? I don't know what's going on with Betty. She's just kind of running around. Betty? Hi. Nice. I got 11. Now what? Deliver oil to... Okay. I feel like I'm just like a lab dog. Alright, now Ludwin Sinclair. Ludwin. Ludwin? Ludwin. How do you spell your name? How do you say your name? Ludwin. Are you all the way down here? Of course you are. You know what? Just in case. Even though guns aren't really effective against people or things in the swamp. It should be okay. Did I do the glitch again? It looks like it. I'm here. Back again to visit old Ludwin, are you? Yeah, I have offering gifts we need. Come then, we'll present these to the lesser swamp spirits in exchange for guidance on your path. Whether surviving or thriving, it's the lowest doing. Ready, comrade? As I'll ever be. Legba, open the gates for me once more to greet the spirits of this realm. Let them take these offerings and speak through me so my guide's death be not in vain. Let them reveal that which makes the elder Jotun's belly moan. Yes, you hear them. The spirits whisper through the trees, knowing what you seek. Another augury, the same edict over and over. Gleaming meat, gleaming meat. I'm afraid I don't comprehend. I wonder. The spirits were playing coy as ever. A lost one will mend wounds. Fill their brain with communing meat. These auguries are two sides of the same coin. What meat would a tree want? There are many picky loa, but none as much as the elders. They want something one of a kind, yes indeed. Something that bleeds vitality, a hearty ritual meal. It's as if I can see all the ingredients in the dark of my mind. Quickly now, let me write it down in that fancy book of yours. This recipe is what I need to offer the elder Jotun. I bet all my years on it. My mother's grave, too. Before you fly off, may I ask you one more favor? Would I be a burden to petition you to prepare the offering twice over? One for old Ludwin and one for yourself, of course. It would help my cause more than you know. I've dreamed of something like this ever since I relocated to Nightingale. Yep, that would be my thanks. My thanks is eternal twice over than my lost one. You know where to find me. I've got funeral rites still to prepare here, and so much need to be done if I'm to attempt Apsian an elder. Craft ritual meat. Okay. God, what is that? So 5 fabled meat, so 10 fabled meat, and 6 gems. Okay. We're gonna do this last quest, and then we'll end this video here. And hopefully that will be the last quest for this area, besides that side quest you guys see. Can I craft it? Where can I craft it? I'm gonna assume I can't craft it. Yeah. What to do? I'm guessing I'm gonna have to craft it in the cooker that's over here. This is not a cooker. This is over here. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. I'm coming back. Maybe I can do the glitch again. I think I did the glitch again. Maybe. This glitch is actually really helpful. Except I run out of stamina pretty quickly. Yeah, I'll make it. I can again? Yes, I have the ritual meal. Oh, yes, yes, it looks and smells delicious. Otherworldly, like a burning fruit. This sacrifice shall make a fine offering. All goes well, it'll be a first step toward greater understanding to showing the elder spirits we mean to do right with our presence in their domain. Perhaps the mended wounds the lower foothold weren't physical after all. The elder will accept this offering. If there's truth in the Druid tales of old, you'll be holding one of their ripened hearts before you know it. Before our paths diverge again, I'm one last advice to offer you, Wanderer, taught me by the Voodoo Queen ages ago. Most tend to think of crossroads as only having two paths, but that's a full assumption. The forks may well be infinite. Keep that in mind for the long journey ahead. Godspeed, Ludovin. Hi. Okay, let's try this, I guess. I need to create just a full iron tool. So let's just create like a iron chest plate, I guess. And I need to go up to this guy. He's crazy. Sorry, he's not crazy. We'll do that in the next episode, though. So I'm going to be heading back to the house. Hey, and we're back. Actually. Oh, actually, I need this. I don't need this. And I just have a bunch of food. What's the build button again? Isn't it X? Yeah, it's X. Lumber, ingot, leather. Lumber, ingot, leather. One lumber. One ingot. And then leather would be clothing, right? Yep. What is it called? Products. Okay. This? Okay. Ironic. Alright. I have emptied my inventory. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna leave this episode here. Episode 10. We hit the double digits. Cool. I think next episode might be the last quote unquote episode for the main story that I'm thinking of. If not, then there will be more episodes. If so, cool. If not, then I guess after that it'll just be online stuff, like with friends and whoever else owns the game. And I'll probably make it like an actual build. Because right now it's a melee build, I think. Yeah, I think I made a melee build. Anyways, hope you guys have a good night. Hope you guys have a good day. Hope you guys have a good Christmas next month. Or this month coming up. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.